Hi everybody, this is Irma from Food for Healthy Bones, and I'm here not only with Skelly, the skeleton that lives in us all, but Vicky, who is my colleague in the kitchen. And Vicky is going to show us how to make coconut milk. Take it away, Vicky.
Okay, hi everyone. So what we're going to start with are coconut flakes. So you can purchase these on Amazon. They'll come in individual bags. You can use flakes or shredded. They'll both work just as well. I'm going to use my wonderful Vitamix. So put your coconut flakes right in there. And we've preheated some water. I like to have really hot water. We're going to pour this in just to cover. So about yay much. It only took about half of that. And then we use our Vitamix. So we're going to blend it on high speed for approximately 1 minute. So we start slowly, build up. So that's really good. So what we do now is, this is what's called a nut bag. And it's a great way to strain the coconut. You can also use
cheesecloth.
Cheesecloth, thank you, Irma. You can use cheesecloth. And I'm just gonna pour this all into the bag. Just back on here. And gonna squeeze this out.
And you're actually milking the bag.
I'm milking the bag. This is also called a milk bag. So you can use it with other things, with almonds and other such, but this is with coconut milk, and I squeeze it all out. That's a nice amount we've gotten out of there. If it's too hot, just let it cool for a little bit. And I'm going to pour it into these jars, into a jar. This is a great little funnel that makes it much easier pouring liquids. And store it in the refrigerator. You're going to see it's going to settle a little bit. The top is going to be much thicker and the liquid will be at the bottom. And one thing I forgot to tell you that's really very important, when you pour the hot water into the coconut, I like to let it sit for 5 minutes to 15 minutes, but not longer than that or it gets too thick. So it's a really important point to do, and so I just wanted to add it then. So that's it, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about some of the nutrition of coconut. So the coconut milk possesses really high amounts of a beneficial fat. It's about 17 to 25%. And it's in the form of medium chain fatty acids. And unlike the long chain fatty acids that are usually found in vegetables or seeds and oils, the medium chains are easier to break down in your system. They do not require special enzymes for metabolism. And they're converted to energy rather than stored as fat. So other nutrients found in coconut milk include vitamin C, vitamin E, B vitamins, minerals such as iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and it has a lot of fiber. So it's lactose free, and it's a really popular substitute for people who have any lactose intolerance. So just be aware you can buy coconut milk in cans in stores, but they potentially may be lacking in a lot of the valuable micronutrients that you'll find if you make it yourself. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and thanks for being here.
Bye for now.